Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. Today we are going to finish reading A Tree is Nice, and we're going to continue thinking about the same learning target that we've been working on all week, which is I can identify and discuss the reasons the author gives to support an opinion in A Tree is Nice. So remember, we're going to be telling and talking about the reasons the author gives to support their opinion. Remember, an opinion is something that the author thinks or feels, and the reasons are why they think that. The examples or the explaining about what makes their opinion make sense to them. So, remember, our big questions that we're trying to think about is why does the author think trees are nice? And what is her opinion? Yesterday, we started making a chart about some reasons why trees are nice or reasons why people might plant trees. We said trees make everything beautiful. We said trees have leaves to play in. And we said trees have trunks and limbs to climb. Today, we're going to see if we can add some more ideas to this chart and thinking about more reasons the author gives to support the opinion that trees are nice and that we should plant trees. All right, so let's get started. If it is an apple tree, we can climb it to pick the apples. Think about what the author says on this page about why trees are important, why trees are nice. Yeah, trees give us fruit or food, and it can be for people or for animals. So I'm going to add that. Trees have food for people and animals. Cats get away from dogs by going up the tree. Birds build nests in trees and live there. Sticks come off of the trees too. We draw in the sand with the sticks. Think about another reason the author gives why trees are nice based on what you see on this page. Let's add that to the chart. Trees have sticks we can draw with. And let's keep reading. A tree is nice to hang a swing in, or a basket of flowers. It is a good place to lean your hoe while you rest. A tree is nice because it makes shade. The cows lie down in the shade when it is hot. People have picnics there too, and the baby takes his nap in his buggy in the shade. I heard a word a couple of times. I heard the word shade a couple of times. Shade is like a dark area where the sun is or the light is blocked. So it's usually a little cooler. I want to read these two pages one more time. And every time you hear the word shade, I want you to give a thumbs up and see how many times you notice that word. How many times the author uses that word. A tree is nice because it makes shade. The cows lie down in the shade when it is hot. People have picnics there too, and the baby takes his nap in the buggy in the shade. If an author repeats a word 3 times, that usually means it's a really important thing. So if an author is saying something over and over and over again, it's because they know that it's important. So thinking about shade, who is shade helpful for? Who does shade help? Shade is helpful for animals and for people. So let's add that to our chart. Trees are nice and people plant trees because trees make shade. Let's keep reading through the end to see any other ways the author thinks trees are nice. A tree is nice for a house to be near. The tree shades the house. Oh, another example of shade, and keeps it cool. The tree holds off the wind and keeps the wind from blowing the roof off of the house sometimes. What's another reason the author gives to show why trees are important or why trees are nice? Yeah, trees block the wind from houses. They keep them safe from big storms sometimes. So trees keep the wind from blowing. A tree is nice to plant. You dig the biggest hole you can and put the little tree in. Then you pour in lots of water and then the dirt. You hang the shovel back in the garage. Every day for years and years, you watch the little tree grow. You say to people, I planted that tree. They wish they had one so they could go home and plant a tree too. The end. All right, I hope you guys really enjoyed that story, and I hope it helped you think about why trees are so nice and so important to all of us. We're going to continue thinking about this for the next couple of weeks, actually, and thinking about what are some ways that authors support that opinion. What are some examples that they give? All right, everybody, I'll see you soon. Bye.